There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2022 Dodge Charger RT Blacktop in white knuckle with sport mode, performance suspension, 20-inch aluminum wheels, active exhaust, black one-piece performance spoiler, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 33,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, Dodge Performance pages, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, remote start system, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7934.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.